right, so we got dumbbell thrusters. But you can't wait for this one, right? So you're gonna take 2 dumbbells, clean up to the shoulders. From here, you're going to do a squat first. And then at the very top of your squat, you're going to finish by getting a big push with your legs, and that's gonna help finish with a press overhead. So squat first, on the way up, gain momentum, and then finish strong, push all the way up. On the way back down, keep the elbows forward, and finish. So take it slow on the way down, slow halfway up, and then you're gonna start gaining speed, get a big push at the top to finish.